Alright guys, so this is another video. It's probably gonna be a shorter one because I'm not installing this on the car yet. I just want to show it to y'all. So this is the rear valve, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna open it up real quick and just show you guys what I got. Due to some complications, it's not gonna go in the car just yet. Hopefully it'll go on here in a couple weeks. Hopefully. But I think you guys are gonna like this. All right, guys, I finally got unboxed. This is my rear valance. Yet again, don't know what to call it really. GT 500 rear end. So it is a Duraflex. I really want to go carbon fiber, but honestly, around here, plastics, or I mean, not plastic, fiberglass is just going to be the best option due to just, yeah, it's just basically because of where I live. But so yeah, there's a lot more assembly than I thought would be required. Like, I don't know how to get this part on, this top part right here. So this top part, I don't know how I'm going to get it on. And I say top just because it's on top right now. I know it's a bottom piece. And then we got these that go on the sides. And you guys are probably wondering why I decided to go ahead and get these with the, I don't know, what do you call them? Side pieces. I'm trying to think of what would be the best name to call them. But, so basically I'm doing that just because with everything else I got, I'm gonna just, I want good body lines. That's it. And also, this stuff is keeping up with a trend with that stuff. You guys are going to see when this car is completely done why that's going to be important. You'll see the other parts coming. They should be coming in soon. They're coming in 6 days? 4? I forget. But I'm glad this came in first, just because I think this is going to be the hardest one to put on the car, other than, well, I can't spoil it, but I guess I can. The wing. I think the wing's going to be the hardest part. And if you guys don't know this and everything else I have ordered, body-wise, and the exhaust, and also, I also got these from them too. So far, all this has been from Walmart. I know it's hard to believe that all this came from Walmart, especially the rest of it. The Roush exhaust came from Walmart. I highly recommend looking on there if you guys are looking for parts, just because they do have Ford Performance, they do have Roush, they have decent name companies, like Roush and Ford Performance. But, I went on there, they had the Roush exhaust for about $100 less than what you can get on American Muscle. And I don't want to hate on American Muscle, because I did get a few of these parts from there. But, guys, come on, $100. $100. And, I mean, I did get it while it was on sale, so it is back up past the $600 price. But it's definitely cheaper for the polished tips than it would be on American Muscle. But I hate to sound like a broken record, but definitely just check all your resources first. Like this stuff, this is a Duraflex, I think that's the brand name. The one that you see everybody using, that's at Walmart. So if this is on there, and I checked it, it was like $20 cheaper. So I'm just saying, go check. If you're planning a build, check all your resources first. Go to Amazon, go to Walmart. Go to eBay if you have to. eBay's a little bit difficult to navigate. Go to Rock Auto. Still difficult to navigate, but you can find stuff cheap. I guess what I'm just trying to say is, please, guys, use your resources. Do not be one of these YouTubers and be like, I got it straight from the manufacturer, knowing I could have went to Walmart and got it 20 bucks less. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and I hope you guys are ready for this. Because I am, and I hate that it's not going on now. But I got to get all this packed back up, at least put away, because Pawpaw's going to be down here. He's going to be doing some work. And I don't want him to trip. But also, I didn't know this stuff was going to be this light. I mean, like, this stuff weighs nothing. So I'm kind of glad I went with this instead of carbon fiber. Because carbon fiber, I feel like, would kind of break. And I also had to get this unwrapped. If you guys don't know, if you're getting any body parts, unwrap them. Freaking take a good look at them. See if they have any cracks or anything on them. Because if so, most manufacturers will return them, warranty, all that stuff. But like, I'm glad that this ain't broke. Because I would have cried. But I hope you guys have a good day. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See y'all next time.